Okay, good morning. And today we are walking right from there to here sa aking maliit na bahay. So this is gonna be my tulugan under the forest, as you can see. So dito tayo matutulog, dito tayo mamahinga kung ayaw natin ng ganong mga kapitbahay. So that's all for this morning. I'm just sharing you how life goes on under the rainforest. So that's all, and make a good morning. Well, I'll let you get in my under construction room here. So ito yun, wala pa tayong atip. So inantay pa natin yung order natin from another construction company. It will be a good roofing. So this is our floor area. Ganda. Ganito lang kalaki. Maganda na yan, at least may tulugan ka, di ba? With view. So another hug episode na naman tayo sa malaking kahoy, guys. Ang laki. O, diba? Grabe. Ang kahoy, oh. Straight. It's another hug episode na naman nakalag. It's too big. Uy. Pura ka talaga ng malalaking kahoy dito. Sa forest na ating titirhan. So walang sunset, walang sunrise dito, mga kalaag. Kasi nasa ilalim nga tayo ng forest. Ano? So we are here for walking, hiking, and releasing the bad energy to the big trees. I don't know kung totoo yun. I-hug mo lang yung malaking kahoy para daw maano sa kanya yung bad energy sa'yo. It's so big. It's another big tree. Alright, it's o'clock past already, and we're done with our walking. So pauwi na tayo, kaya medyo nagugutom na tayo, guys. So that's it, and that's all for this morning. And mega love shout out to all of you, and follow, subscribe for more.